Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to create stunning, high-quality videos using the Hailuo AI. Whether you want a cinematic storytelling, animated scenes, or realistic AI-generated clips, the Hailuo AI makes it possible with just a text prompt. So let's get started. First, head over to Hailuo's AI website or open the platform if you already have an account. Sign up or log in if you're new, and make sure you have enough credits or subscription plan to generate videos. The Hailuo AI generates videos based on the text description, so your prompt is key to getting the best result. This includes elements in your prompt like setting and an environment, where does the scene takes place, the characters and appearance, who is in the video, the actions and the movement, what is happening, the lighting and mood, what atmosphere are you aiming for, and the camera and style. It's either a wide shot, close up, drone video, or slow motion, and etc. And also, the Hilo AI allows you to customize your video's look and feel. In art style, choose between a photorealistic, animated, anime, 3D rendered, cinematic, and more. The frame rate is duration, is adjust the length and smoothness of the animation. The lighting and the color grading, you need to apply warm, cool, neon, vintage, or natural tones. And once your settings are adjusted, click Generate to start creating your video. After the AI generates your video, preview the result. Watch the animation to see if it matches your vision. Make adjustments if needed, tweak the prompts and adjust lighting or refine character details, and enhance the editing tools. Use external softwares like Premiere Pro or CapCut to add transition, music, and effects. Download and share your video once you're satisfied with the result. And that's it. That's how you create the stunning AI generated videos with Hilo AI. Try it yourself and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you're making. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching!